project or change the task. Okay, this
Some problem is there, I think so. Yes, sir has left the meeting. Sir, any problem?
no, it is automatically left out.
Okay. So please share the slides. Now it is not visible.
Okay,
The slides are
it
not
is
visible
host
now.
disabled, madam.
Host disabled.
Ha.
Okay, I have not disabled anyone, but let me
That's
check.
why I can't share.
Okay, let me check it.
Okay, now it's okay.
Okay, yes.
Okay. Okay, this is the scenario regarding the education. Okay, what to do after the graduation? Complete your post graduation in the core subject, that is the botany, zoology, or microbiology, or any other else. Then there are different microbiological subjects which are now available for the post graduation, that is general microbiology, industrial microbiology, and clinical microbiology, or any other different specialization according to the universities, autonomous institution, government institution, and etc. Okay, then what to do next? That is the, if anyone wants to career in teaching or the education field, then he will prepare for the net set exam, then GRF, then research, do the PhD, complete getting a degree, and join anywhere for the teaching. After that, he will do for the postdoc in our country or outside the country. Okay, this is the overall scenario of education. After completion of postdoc or the PhD, I think this is the highest degree in the education institutes. Okay, then in our life sciences, there are 4 or 5 core biology fields. Okay, that is the botany, zoology, microbiology, and biotechnology. Here I mentioned only the universities which are present in the Maharashtra. One is the Central University, then 23 state universities, and 21 deemed university which are now available in the Maharashtra. There are these all universities are give the different degree programs or offers different degree programs. Okay, this is the scenario regarding how to do the microbiology or life sciences graduation. Okay, then higher secondary, we can choose BSc microbiology, then MSc microbiology. After completion of BSc or MSc, we can do the teaching, then different laboratory works, that is the government or any other industries. Okay, we will see in later. Then you can get the another higher degrees or the higher studies like MBA, any other post graduation affiliated courses. Okay, then you will do the research in PhD as well as postdoctorate and get job in the different sectors like industry, government sector, teaching, and research. Okay, then this is the most important fact is the to do choose after the graduation, to do the core PG in the core subject or change the fields or the any other else. Okay, after completion of educations, we can move towards the higher studies like PG or the MS in other universities. Okay, or the different short-term courses like different hands-on trainings or the MBA like programs in HR management or the production, banking, accounting. Okay, there are lots of our seniors or the life sciences graduates, they will choose the different part after the graduation. Okay, then some are prepared for the government jobs like the MPSC, UPSC, or the according to the states. Okay, then teaching profession, after completion of PG, they will prepare for the SETNET, then they will admitted for the PhD program, completed degree, and continue with the teaching profession. Then different industrial jobs, on or some other students will start the own startup. Okay, own startup means they will choose the different part other than the core subject. Okay, let's start with the microbiology and their course subfields. Okay, these are the different microbiological fields we can choose for a career option. Okay, for example, environmental microbiology. Okay, we know the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. Okay, it is an government body. Okay, that can monitor the our country environmental conditions. Okay, in every scenario or the in every point of view. Okay, whether the ambient air concentration or the ambient air quality is decreased or the increased. Okay, it is feasible to inhale that air or not. For example, in Delhi, okay, there is a lots of pollution regarding the vehicle or any other like. Okay, these all things are monitored in the environmental microbiology. Okay, this is the one of the major things we can choose a career for the our point of view. Okay, or the post graduation students point of view. Okay, one of we can choose after graduation MSc environmental microbiology or the MSc environmental sciences. Okay, this program was offered in different universities. Okay, then industrial microbiology. Okay, we know the different industries which are present in our country, that is food, beverages, feed. Okay, then pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, then biotechnological. Okay, agricultural. Okay, the number of industries which are present in our country. Okay, then one of the major field is the agricultural microbiology. We know that the our economy is 70% is depend on the agriculture. Okay, now we can try to start up in agriculture, develop a nursery or the small scale industries like bioinoculant production or the different third party manufacturing. Okay, then medical microbiology, it is a newly startup career. Okay, and also a oldest field in the microbiology. Okay, nowadays there are different new coming fields are incoming like the clinical data management, medical coding, and another things. We can do the post graduation diploma in the DMLT. Okay, that is the pathological testing. Okay, then food and dairy microbiology. Okay, these are the two different sectors which are open in the field of microbiology. Okay, dairy is the separate. We can start the new career of the dairy setup for the animal husbandry, collection the milk and process that milks, prepare some other products at homemade, packaging it, and then the marketing it. Okay, also for the food. Okay, different spices, any other products like wafers or the bakery products like that. The main important core the research area is depending on the molecular biology, genetic engineering, and the genomic and proteomics. Okay, without a research we don't do anything. Okay, the for the research the most important thing is that the is the most desirable question. Okay, that is the what to do to complete the particular task. Okay, if we want to complete our graduation, then firstly you will take the admission for graduation, complete first year, second year, then third year, you will get the degree. But to fulfill that the educational criteria, you do the study. Okay, for this, in the research area, this is the most important thing, that is the study, asking the question how to do and how to fulfill the gap to complete the getting the result. Okay, then microbiological quality control, this is the most important department of the every industry or the every organization. Okay, then bioinformatics, synthetic biology, microbial diversity, microbial metabolism, microbial genetics, cell biology, system biology, genomics and proteomics. Okay, bioinformatics, genomics, proteomics are the linking each other. Okay, these are the different fields which are available for the career option in the or the life sciences students. Okay, then we will see the some of the these career options in details. First is environmental microbiology. As I said, that is the one of the most important institutes or the organization in our country is the CPCB, Central Pollution Control Board. Okay, they have a different state laboratories in our countries. Okay, and again there are sub laboratories in the every districts of our country. Okay, therefore it is an most important is the you can go for the website of the CPCB or the different government organizations. You will check their recruitment. Okay, and you will apply according to that. Okay, this is the most important task which who want to get the government job. Okay, for the environmental microbiology. Okay, for this the most important task is the firstly checking the recruitment, where the that recruitment notice or the application or the invitation is available. Okay, 99% government advertisement are published in their websites on or on in the employment newspaper. Okay, this is the most important task, to collect the all the information, check, make a checklist for every suitable post, check firstly what is the criteria to fulfill that post or the how to apply for the that exam. Okay, some of the exam are directly step forward, that is the for the interview, there is no written exam or no any information, no any other test for that particular job. Okay, in the environmental microbiology we can see the soil microbiology, aero microbiology, then aquatic microbiology, water quality. Okay, this water quality for human consumption, animal consumption, agricultural, the different industries type. Okay, that is the metal industry or the mechanical industries, then any other like food, beverages, dairy industry, pharmaceutical, biopharmaceutical, or the any agricultural industries like the biofertilizer or the chemical fertilizers, etc. Okay, these all industries are required water and they have different criteria for use of that waters. Okay, for this we know the how to test that particular water. Okay, for example, we for our human point of view, okay, we require water for drinking purpose. Okay, then how we know that particular water is potable or not? Okay, if that water is not potable, then how we use for drinking purpose? If that water is potable, then how we conclude that water is a potable? Then how to test that water potability? Okay, then how to prepare the different test material to check that particular water in our laboratory. Okay, some of the experiments you will already learn in your graduation or post graduation. Okay, for example, check the pH of particular water. Okay, then hardness of particular water, then total dissolved solid of that particular water, BOD, COD. Okay, and many more. Okay, and some of other physicochemical characteristics. Okay, electrical conductivity, presence of calcium, magnesium, or different inorganic and organic elements. Okay, then minor nutrients. Okay, these all things how to test. This is an most important task for the environmental microbiology. Okay, also this is for the soil microbiology, or how to test the different hazardous and non-hazardous materials. How will you define or the differentiate these all things? Okay, this is the most important criteria for to do career in the environmental microbiology. Okay, also the diagnostic microbiology, then food and safety. Okay, this is the most important points or the different steps in the environmental microbiology. Okay, we will check the next point is the food and dairy microbiology. Okay, as I said that the most important task is the this food and dairy microbiology is the new startups. Okay, now our government of India or the different states, okay, offering the graduates and postgraduates startup programs. Okay, also many government institutions or the government universities also starting the new startups, or they will provide the financial support to do the new startups. Okay, in dairy industry we know that the collection of a milk, okay, then it tested for the primary testing. Okay, for the qualities. Okay, the fat of that particular test. Okay, then quality, then any other abnormal or the pathogenic organism which are present in that or not, then it is go for the separation, pasteurization and standardization, and then it will process for the different byproducts like cream, skim milk powders. Okay, or any other byproducts, further products like cheese, paneer. Okay, then various different products like Srikhand. Okay, like that. Okay, this is the whole scenario regarding the food and dairy. Okay, then different environmental parameters. Okay, why the environmental parameters are most important in food and dairy? Okay, in dairy industry we can use the milk as a raw material. Okay, to complete the our final product. Okay, then after completion of final product, there are lots of byproducts which are not reusable. Okay, then how to release into environment? Okay, this is the major task regarding the every industrial field for the dairy purpose. Okay, then how to release that whey liquid which are left after the completion of the paneer or cheese or any other product. Okay, then you directly not released into the environment. Then the different food industry or the dairy industry, they can construct the effluent treatment plant. Okay, they will treat that particular raw water or the wastewater or the byproduct which are left after the completion of the final product, and they reuse that water for the gardening or the any other purposes. Okay, like that, the recycling of the available material after treating, it is a most important task for the every industrialist. Okay, or the industrial firm. Okay, then this is the agricultural microbiology or the agricultural industry, we can say. In the agricultural industry, most important task is the formulated EM, that is the effective microorganism, or okay, or the preparation of the bioinoculants. Okay, we already studied in the biofertilizer, bioinoculants, okay, which are prepared with the microorganisms which having a nitrogen fixing ability or the phosphate solubilizing ability, okay, or the any other micronutrient solubilizing ability, okay, or producing antibiotics, bioactive compounds, producing a polysaccharides, which improve the soil water holding capacity, etc., etc. Nowadays, the encapsulated the bioinoculant or the formulated powdered formulated bioinoculants are the available in the market. Also, the nano synthesized materials which are also available for the bioinoculants. Okay, these are the important tasks, and there are many organisms which having ability to improve the soil health as well as the plant growth, and also they are responsible for the degradation of the different pesticides. Okay, they reduce the efficiency of that pesticides to avoid the soil poisonous. Okay, this is the major task regarding the agricultural industry. Okay, then the most important field in our life sciences graduates is the, or the in our life sciences career is the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, everyone wants to work in the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, there are two different pharmaceutical industries. First is the pharma and second one is the biopharma. Okay, pharmaceutical industry is totally depending on the synthesis of the drug using chemical way. Okay, and biopharma is the field which are involvement of biotechnology, microbiology, or the microorganisms. Okay, they are prepared or they are modified using the recombinant DNA technology, genetic engineering, or any other ways, like preparation of a vaccine, that is the killed vaccine or the live attenuated vaccine. Okay, like this, yeah, the biopharma will be separated. Nowadays, after the pandemic, the biopharma is the most important field regarding the life sciences. Okay, like the Bharat Serum or the Serum institutes. Okay, they will performing their research. Okay, and they will they already marketed or they prepared the COVID vaccine. Okay, this is the scenario regarding the pharmaceutical industry. Firstly, any industry regarding the pharmaceutical, they do the research, okay, to complete the task. Okay, how to prepare that particular product. Okay, then the important task is in pharmaceutical is the select the microorganism in the biopharma. Okay, then grow that organism in a minimum media. Okay, and maximum cell number. After that, how to convert that organism into a product. This is the major important task, okay, in the research and development. After completion of product or the after production of that particular enzyme or the antibiotic or the any other material, purification is the second important task. And after purification, then the manufacturing or the packaging or the separation into the tablets, capsules, the injectables, ointments, eye drops. Okay, these are the different byproducts for the this pharmaceutical industry. This is, and then after completion of the production or the complete manufacturing of that product, okay, or that drug, they will ready for the clinical trials. Okay, after clinical trials, we know that there are 4 different phases of clinical trials, 1, 2, 3, 4. After completion of 4 clinical trials, they will get the any clearance from the government bodies to market that particular product in the market. Okay, real market. And after that, it will be available for the human consumption. Okay, this is the overall scenario regarding the this is the lengthy process to available any product in the market. Okay, it will take a few more than 10 or 20 years to available any one product in the market for the human consumption. Okay, this is the leading pharmaceutical firms in our country. Okay, Sun Pharma, Mankind Pharma, Piramal. Okay, this Piramal is now taking the Abbott Pharmaceuticals. Okay, then Alchem. Okay, this Alchem is the totally chemically synthesized pharmaceutical industry. Then Alembic, Intas, Divis, then Dr. Reddy's. Okay, Shipla, Lupin. Okay, these are the leading pharmaceuticals companies. Okay, in the our country. Okay, then the last or the important field is the health. Okay, in that every graduates we will do the biomedical education, or the he will do the research in the or the job in the biomedical field. Okay, for example, healthcare systems. Anyone after graduation, they will do the any diploma regarding the nursing or the any other professions. Okay, for example, after graduation of the physics or the post graduation of the physics, they will do the analyst for the CT scan machine or the MRI scan machine or the X-ray machines. Okay, they will use the operations for that particular. Okay, and then naturals and life sciences or the biology or the genetics. For example, many Ayurvedic products. Okay, or the herbal products. Okay, we can manufacture the different Ayurvedic or the herbal products. Okay, or then ashwagandha powder. Okay, or any other avada powder or jamunbi powder. Okay, these are the now important task for the every medical practitioners to use the herbal medicines. Okay, then health information management. Okay, like there are a different insurance policies, okay, now available. Okay, so different educational policies. Okay, enroll the different persons for to take the particular company's insurance policies. Okay, settle their claims. Okay, then enroll for the type with the different multinational or the many big hospitals. Okay, like that AIMS or the Hinduja hospitals or the Surya hospital or any other hospitals. Okay, these are the different tasks which are enrolled in the health industry. Okay, the most important task in the career development is the checklist. Okay, what is the checklist after completion of graduation? Okay, anyone which don't want to study for the next field or the next post graduation level or the any other higher studies, or they will directly choose to do the work. Okay, or for the earning money. Okay, for this slide or the for this point, okay, there are the important task is the earning money. Okay, it is totally depending on the your devotion to a particular subject. Okay, everyone is getting education to earn the money, but and everyone having their own passion. Okay, so you try to get the degree to earn money, or if you have any passion and you want to fulfill your passion in particular field, okay, then you will do the same, but you can't 100% both combine, okay, your passion as well as your education as a earning point of view. Okay, not everyone will success with the your own passion as well as the earning with the passion. Okay, this is the most important point regarding the career point of view. Okay, passion is the different thing and earning money is the different thing. Okay, uh, some you can thinking about that the education is not important to earn the money. Okay, it is okay, no problem. Anyone, we can you can skip your education after graduation. You will choose any another startup other than your core field. You can earn money from that. Okay, it's okay, no problem. Okay, but everyone not having opportunity to do your work in your with your passion. Okay, so firstly, after completion of graduation, you can decide the your passion as well as your field of earning. Okay, after certain years, okay, after completion of graduation and after 23 or 25 completion of our ages, okay, everyone wants to settle down. Okay, earning money to grow yourself as well as with your families. Okay, so this point of view, the most important thing is the first is the self preparation. But in self preparation, the most you can prepare yourself with positive mindset, that is the in which field you want to make your career. Okay, this is an important task. Okay, for example, after completion of BSc microbiology or post graduation microbiology, everyone wants to work with the pharmaceutical industry. Okay, like Serum Institutes or the Lupin, Shipla, then MCure, Genome Bio. Okay, or any other. Okay, which available in your states or the districts or the any other places. Okay, but not everyone, okay, will get the chance to do the work in particular field. So you can move to another sector or the another field or the another industry, okay, with positive mindset. Okay, and check the yourself with this checklist, or you can make a checklist depending on your lacuna. Okay, which are you can improve. Okay, first important task is the communication skill. Okay, how to deal with the different personals. Okay, choose the correct and appropriate field. Okay, you can apply for the various fields after completion of your graduation or the post graduation, but after completion of graduation, post graduation, everyone apply for the different fields. They will make a or write a application for dairy industries, pharmaceutical industries, teaching fields, agricultural industry, environmental fields, etc., etc., etc. And having a mindset, anyone will reply for the same. According to, I will go for the interview, and we will see later on. Okay, but before going to or the apply to particular field, okay, you can choose a correct and appropriate field, then you will try to apply a particular field. Okay, then next one is the documentation. Okay, documentation is the most important task. Okay, your documentation file, that is the educational lists or the educational certificates. Okay, SSC or the matriculation certificates with mark sheet certification, then higher education sorry, higher school or secondary school certificate mark sheet, then first year mark sheet, second year mark sheet, third year graduation mark sheet, degree certificate, then post graduation mark sheet, post graduation certificates, or you have any other degrees like certificate courses, different PG diplomas, or any other thing. Okay, you will set your document with date wise. Okay, after completion of your graduation or post graduation, firstly you will place your post graduation or graduation certificates, then you will set the descending order like that. Okay, then writing a application. Okay, how to write a letter to get an job for a particular field. Then second most important task is the writing a resume or the curriculum vitae. Okay, that is for short form is the CV. Okay, this is a most important point regarding the career development. Okay, firstly you can make your there are now everyone have a Android mobile. Okay, and having a internet connection. Okay, you have you will get the different formats regarding the your resume or the CV. According to that you will set your CV. Okay, correct it shown to the different particular higher personals or the higher authorities, correct from particular persons. Okay, then the important point is the writing emails. Okay, how to apply through the emails, or if you will get the reply on your particular application after filling a on email, how you will reply for that particular mail. It is an important task. Then prepare himself for interview. Sorry, the most important work. Okay, prepare himself for interview. Okay, for that firstly check the organization which give you interview call. Okay, okay, their core field, it is pharmaceutical, food and dairy, agriculture, okay, or health. Okay, then you can collect the all information about that particular organization. Okay, for example, if you will get the offer from any government institution, okay, or the any lupin, what product they will produce and which unit will offer you for an interview. Okay, this is a most important task. Then you will check the production facility online which are available for that particular unit. For example, from Pune you will call for the interview for lupin. You will check the which production are going on at the lupin, their products. Okay, then when that particular firm or the unit already established, how many old that unit. Okay, and so on. So like this you will prepare and checklist for the your career point of view regarding this all these microbiology aspects. Okay, according to when you prepare particular interview. Okay, and also the most important task regarding the post graduation, after completion of post graduation, is the you can prepare yourself according to the production which are available or the going on in the particular industry. Okay, the important task in this scenario is the you will know every experimental steps Okay, for example, okay, in a last year graduation, okay, you all having an practical regarding the pathogenic microorganism or the pathogenic bacteria isolation, characterization and identification. Okay, for this you will provided with an sample. Okay, and you will also give the different plates. Okay, according to you will proceed for the same, right? Okay, like that, availability of media in the laboratory, according to that you will getting the requirement for your practical purpose. But in the industry there are different medias which are used for the particular isolation of a particular organism. Okay, for example, okay, in pathogen isolation of a pathogenic organism, okay, normally we can use the McConkey's agar for the Enterobacteriaceae family. Okay, we know the for isolation of Pseudomonas we can use the McConkey's agar as well as nutrient agar as well as the Kingsby medium or the citrimide agar. Okay, but in industry for the isolation of Pseudomonas they definitely use the citrimide agar. Okay, then for the isolation of the Salmonella, okay, normally we can use the in laboratory or the in our college, okay, we can use the McConkey's agar for the isolation of the Salmonella or the E. coli. Okay, but for the Salmonella there are different specific medias which are used for the isolation of that particular organism. Also like that fungus, okay, we know the fungus are grown in PDA, that is the potato dextrose agar. Okay, there then sabrodextrose agar. Okay, but in industries, okay, for the differentiating the fungus as well as the yeast, okay, in particular media they will use the rose bengal agar. Okay, because in our laboratory both are the easy available, that is the potato dextrose agar as well as the sabrodextrose agar, but bengal agar or the any particular specific media is higher. Okay, the college is not the use that media to teach or the for the practical purposes. Okay, but you can learn the all things regarding the particular aspects. Okay, regarding the media, which are the selective media, which are the enrichment media. Okay, then how to characterize a particular bacteria, what are the colony characters for a particular bacteria. Okay, in that scenario, okay, we can make a chart regarding the organism characterization. Firstly, morphological characteristics like size, shape, color, elevation, margin, consistency, opacity. Okay, then microscopic observations, motility, gram staining, spore staining, capsule staining. Okay, like that. Then different biochemicals test, sugar fermentation test, sugar utilization test, different sugars. Okay, in sugar fermentation we will use the inverted Durham's tube. We can check the production of acid or gas, then different enzyme production like catalase, oxidase, then hydrolysis test like gelatinase, starch hydrolysis, cellulose. Okay, like that. Okay, then different pathogenic organism, for the different pathogenic organism we can check the different biochemicals like the coagulase test, triple sugar ion test. Okay, like these. Okay, ONPG test. Okay, like this we can also prepare himself or yourself regarding this point of view. Okay, the difference between the gram positive and gram negative bacteria, tell the need to gram positive and gram negative bacteria. Okay, the difference between the vaccines. Okay, like that you can also check yourself according to the that. Okay, then most important task to complete this uh, work or the study is the literature for an interview. Okay, which already I have told regarding the organisms, their medias, the isolations or the different tasks regarding the biochemicals. Okay, the each industry having their own SOPs. Okay, you already known about the GLP, GMPs, SOPs. SOPs means the standard operating procedures. Then GLP means the good laboratory practices. GMP means the good manufacturing practices. Okay, every industry having their own SOPs. That is the how to use a particular instrument, particular chemical, how to prepare the particular chemical, okay, how to handle the different microscopes, laminars, autoclaves, incubators. Okay, these all things are prepared through the SOP. Okay, and these SOP are all depending on these organizations like different government agencies, then BIS, Bureau of Indian Standards, then ISO, Internal Organization of Standardization, BAM, that is the Bacteriological Analytical Manual, okay, which are published by the US FDA, okay, United States Food and Drug Administration Department, then FSSAI, this is an Indian institution or the Indian organization, that is the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India. Okay, in this website of the Food Safety and Standard Authority of India, you will get the different manuals which are used for the testing of waters, milk and milk product, meat and meat products, fish products, cereals, oils, fats. Okay, and they will mention their methodology, which media we can use for the particular organism, for the particular product. Okay, in this manual they also given detailed information for the physical analysis of any product, chemical analysis, microbiological analysis, or the biochemical analysis of a particular product. Okay, then CDC, Center for Disease Control and Prevention, US government. Okay, they will give given all detailed information regarding the isolation, control, isolation of different pathogenic organisms, their control and prevention. Then Food and Drug Administration of India as well as the US government, they will publish their manual or the methodological manuals. Then different patent organizations, then NABL, that is the National Accreditation Board for Testing and Calibration Laboratories. Okay, also the most important point is the test of the particular or the calibrate the particular instrument. Okay, for example, pH. For the calibration of pH, we can use the buffer tablet like 4, 7 or 9.2. Okay, then how you will calibrate the TDS meter. Okay, how will you calibrate the microscope. Okay, then laminar, autoclave, incubator. Then how will you calibrate the spectrophotometer. Okay, or the any other instrument which are present in your work organization. Okay, you will write the all the details regarding the your calibrations. Okay, working efficiency of that particular, how many times you can use that particular instruments. Okay, you will write all and each and all records when you work with the any other organization. Okay, these all things are you will prepare yourself when you going for any interview. Then after completion of this, you will definitely get an opportunity to work for a particular organization, because this is all the important task. And if not, you will get the any opportunity, you will try to identify the lacuna which are in yourself. Okay, which point you have missed to learn. Okay, this is the most important task. Okay, identify the yourself which information you have the in a low quantity, or the you don't have the much more idea regarding the any particular subject, you can learn according to the that. Okay, these all things or the these all government bodies or the different organizations, you will get the different ideas regarding the same. For example, in serum institution, okay, they use the virus for the making vaccines. Okay, then like bacteria, you can't grow virus in the laboratory. Okay, in the media. Okay, nutrient media. Okay, for this, if virus is available in the environment, okay, after some time of period, okay, they will automatically inactive. Okay, like that, when we want to grow the virus, okay, we transfer that virus into a artificial media. Okay, like cell cultures or the any other types, or the, for example, egg inoculation techniques. Okay, then any other techniques, then you will uh, get the pure culture of that virus, then it will transfer into the fermentation, small scale fermentation, then large scale fermentation, then virus will be purified, then that virus or the virus powder will be tested for the particular product, and that then finally it will be prepared the particular liquid vaccine or the powdered vaccine, it's injectable, etc., etc. Okay, like that, there are different points which having a quality checking objectives. Okay, for the each and every department, and the all quality checking or the quality control results will compiled by and analyzed by the quality assurance department. That the work of the quality assurance department is the checking or the preparation of the all SOPs, and the all SOPs will be carried out the particular department or not, according to the that they will produce the manufacture the product or not, etc., etc. And all results are they compiled and make a result or the make a presentations. Okay, these are the working scenario of the quality control or the quality assurance and the R&D department in the different microbiological industries. Okay, this is the overall discussion or the learning objectives for the career path or the career development steps in the life sciences or the graduates or the microbiological graduates. Okay, here I complete the my discussion. Okay.
Thanks, sir, for your wonderful presentation. And the topic is open for the discussion. Students, if you have any questions, you please can ask.
Mute yourself and ask the questions.
Anyone who want to ask the question? Am I audible?
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Hello, sir. I am studying Masters in Microbiology. So could you
Okay.
hear me?
Yes.
So this is my first year, sir. I have a doubt how to get internships in institutes, sir, because it's so hard to find in online
Okay.
about it.
You are first year student.
Yes, sir. Masters in Microbiology, sir. Applied Microbiology.
Masters. Okay. 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 You will communicate with the different government institution or the private institution. Okay. Hello.
Sure, sir. But actually, I couldn't find it in the internet
No, no,
easily.
no, no. It is very difficult to get the internship. Okay, because the after completion of your any educational year, okay, you have only 1.5 month, okay, between starting your next uh, educational year, okay.
Yes, sir.
Every institution wants the internship for minimum 3 months to maximum 6 months, okay, or 1 year, okay. They will give you the stipends or the etc, okay. After joining anywhere in the industry, firstly they will give the training for 6 months, okay, and they will observe yourself for next 6 months. How will you work in that particular department? Okay, like that, if you are interested to work for the internship, then in the between of your educational year, for the gap is the 1 or 2 month, okay, how will you work with that particular field in the as an entrepreneur or the like a researcher, okay. When you join anywhere for internship, then firstly to get the all information how they will work in that particular department, your 1 month is already completed, it's going, okay. Then when you start to work in that particular department, automatically your second month also going, okay. There is if there is no any importance for the internship, okay, then you can switch from the internship to the certificate programs or the hands-on training, okay, where you can handle any one instrument like the HPLC, gas chromatography, HPTLC, PCR, okay, ELISA readers, okay, like that. You will take the 10 or 1 week or 2 week hands-on training, okay, like that you can learn yourself a modern equipment, and it will definitely help you in your career, okay.
Yes.
Dwarak, you are from which state?
Tamil Nadu, ma'am.
Tamil Nadu. Okay. In which field are you interested for internship?
I'm actually interested in medical and pharmaceutical right now.
Okay, medical and pharmaceutical. I have planned a 1 month internship program. So if you are interested, you please note my address and phone number. I will write in the chat box, and please contact me. We are organizing 1 month internship program, है ना? Medical microbiology only, है ना?
Sure. Thanks a lot, Shama, ma'am.
Okay, 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 beta.
And another question that I have with Amar sir.
Okay.
Sir, like as you said, it's hands-on training and certificate program. Does Central Research Institutes and IITs like IITs, they don't have, they're completely focused on engineering, but some one or two IITs have these life science or biotech based.
Biotechnology, yes.
Yes,
Yeah.
yes, yes.
So
I
do
think
they?
one of the institution at your place, right? Tirupati. IIT.
Yes, IIT Tirupati is there,
Sorry,
but I think
IISC.
it's
IISC.
IISc.
I think
I'm
IISC.
yes, actually IISc, I think it has biological sciences
Yeah,
in
right, right.
Tirunelveli. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. Okay,
Uh,
okay. But it's depend on. Okay.
mm,
Because what the problem is that the time schedule of their
mm,
particular teaching period.
mm.
Okay. We cannot compare with our schedule with their schedule.
Yes.
Okay, according to that, they will arrange such programs.
Mm.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Vaishnavi Bandaru. And one chat में question है sir. What is
Yeah.
difference between the dairy microbiology and dairy technology? Mayur,
Okay. Dairy
wants to.
technology is the field, okay, where all the manufacturing processes which are going on. Okay. The dairy technology or the dairy technologist also include the mechanical engineering, chemical engineering, okay, or the manufacturer or the any machine operator. Okay. But dairy microbiology, which are also or particularly included in the production and quality, and the technologist is from start to end till up to the marketing or sales. Okay, this is the most important difference. Microbiologist, they can tested the product or the raw material for their particular quality. They will check the production. After production, they will check the quality of that particular final product. Okay, which is manufactured according to the standard operating procedure or not. Okay, the major task for the microbiologist is the to ensure or for the quality of the particular product. Okay, and technologist is the it will help for the production as well as manufacturing or the making and availability of a material uh, to perform or the manufacturing processes smoothly. Okay.
Good evening, sir.
Okay.
Sir, I have a doubt that we are from industrial microbiology, sir. So after our MSc, what is the best department to get a job and to search a job like that, sir? In your
I can't
suggestion.
getting your voice. It is break. Hello.
So she is asking that they are doing in industrial microbiology. So
Okay.
what will be the best way to get into the industries? What is the best stream?
Okay. Firstly, for the girls candidate, okay. Firstly, you can check the industry where the ladies candidates will allow. Firstly, this is the most important task. Okay, because in a industry, okay, pharmaceutical or any industry, okay, 99% is the shift job. Okay, in three shifts. Okay, morning, and then afternoon and night shifts. Okay, like that. The some of the other fields or the other departments, they will give opportunity to you do work in a general shifts like 9 to 6 or the 10 to 5, like that. Okay, 8-hour shift. Okay, according to that, firstly you will check the yourself or the any industry which having a general shifts. Okay, and they will allow for a ladies workers. Okay, whenever there was there are an shift for the manufacturing or the products, they will definitely goes with the male candidates. Okay, because it is unsuitable to work with the male candidates. Okay, like that you will check the different industries. Okay, in any field. Okay, and you will approach according to that.
Kalyani Keshav wants to ask a question, sir, that she has submitted her thesis and she is from Tirupati. What would be the best career for her?
Okay, for the PhD.
She has submitted her PhD thesis.
Okay, okay.
Now,
The
next,
most
what would
most
be the
important.
best career?
Okay, after completion of his degree, okay, she will be join anywhere. Okay, in the interested field. But when after completion of PhD, the first question he will get she will get the your topic is not relevant with that particular industry work. Okay, her task, important task, is how to convince them that my research or the my research knowledge is suitable for that particular department to improve their products as well as their research area. This is a most important task. Okay, because nowadays every PhD student not get particular topic which are relevant with the industries. Okay, according to the availability of the research material or the research facilities at particular research center and the student and guide understanding, they will choose the topic. Okay, but according to the particular industry, no one choose the any particular topic which are related to the any particular industry like the dairy or the any vaccine production or the pharmaceutical, etc., etc. Okay, out of 100, one or two or the three or four students, their topic will be matched with the that particular industries. Okay, so you can prepare yourself according to the your research methodologies and the particular industries. Okay, their production facilities. Okay, you can improve your knowledge and your topic or the subject details. According to that, definitely you will your correct industry.
Laiba Sayed wants to ask, sir, that which PGDM course is better after MSc Microbiology?
No, it's depending on her financial supports. Okay, it may be clinical research or the clinical data management, then the pathological research or the any quality control or auditing. Okay, for the office job or the quality assurance team. Okay, then research and development, HR, managements. Okay, all these things are the in the PGDM different PG diplomas. Okay, you will choose anyone which are you are interested. You search according to that the which topic you will get easily understand according to that diploma syllabus or the courses syllabus, and you will get admission for that particular courses.
Pulagam Janvi Reddy wants to ask some questions, sir. Yes, Pulagam,
Yes.
you can ask.
Good evening, sir. My name is Jahnavi, sir. I'm pursuing MSc Industrial Microbiology in Tirupati, sir.
Yeah.
Sir, I want to have a startup on biofertilizers, sir.
Okay.
So, sir, is there any way to implement to start my startups? So, to have an industrial knowledge and industrial work, I have chosen industrial
Okay.
microbiology
Okay.
as my
Firstly, okay. Okay. Firstly, here also that one thing. If this is your passion, it's okay, no problem. If you want to work with this to earning money, it's another thing. Okay, because every time it will take the investment realization. Okay, if you will start, okay, in a small scale. Okay, firstly you will check all requirements which are available easily, or you can get all the requirements. Okay, check all the things regarding the binoculant or the biofertilizer. Okay, for every startup it is an important thing to make a, okay, you can write a proposal regarding what to do, and for the completion of this process what you will require. Okay, according to the requirement you will plan to make a checklist of your requirement, click the on.
You can go for local for vocal.
Then you will check the requirement budget. Okay, the most important task. Okay, then you will finalize your proposal and you will submit to any financial institution. Okay.
Dwarak is asking, sir, is diploma in andrology worth for a MSc microbiology student?
Which ma'am?
Andrology. Diploma in andrology worth for microbiology student. Is diploma in andrology worth for a MSc microbiology
Yes.
student?
Yes, yes. Okay. For the animal husbandry as well as for the human also. Okay. Like the IVF testing. Okay. It will definitely helpful for a new career development. Okay. Nowadays, there are many hospitals which are having a facility for the IVF. Okay, as well as also for the embryology development regarding the different clinical trials. Okay, different research institutes like TRFI or the any other research institutes. Okay, they will use that embryology facility.
Sanjeevani Bedase wants to ask a question.
Okay.
Sanjeevani, you can ask question.
Hello. Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Good evening.
Sir, I would
Okay.
like to
Good
take
evening.
a suggestion from you, sir, regarding that. Is it worth to switch your profession from the education, from the teaching field to the industry level?
Yes,
At
but
this point, means after spending 7 to 8 years in this education field, if I would like, if I want to change my career in the industrial field or any other research area, in a research area like that.
it is very difficult to change the field. Okay, because already I have gone from the same patch. Okay,
Okay, sir.
but as a lady's point of view, the teaching is the safer job. Okay, but
Correct, sir.
it is depending on the everyone mindset. If you will get the particular opportunity, okay, regarding the industrial job,
Okay.
then you will definitely move, and you will take the chance to do work in industry. Okay, but
Okay, sir.
firstly you can check with the all the scenario. Okay, you are completed your degree or PhD or not?
Actually, sir, I've completed my MSc in general microbiology,
Okay,
and just now I have enrolled myself for the PhD
but
through Shivaji University, and I've qualified set 2. But looking at the education system, it's becoming just difficult to decide what to do and where to go. So just
it's totally depending on the government policy. Okay, of every state. Okay, it is very hard to stay or the leave. Okay,
right.
it is not an easy task. Okay, if you anyone don't want to do much more harder work. Okay, and where if anyone is satisfied with the income from that particular educational field, then it is the okay for that particular person. If anyone wants to switch and do the new thing, okay,
Correct.
and learn new thing, and also it is helpful for the earning money, then it's okay to switch to the new field, okay, which is suitable for the particular person.
But just the thing in industry level, the problems comes like that. If you have spent many of the duration, like they just take for the freshers, means there.
No.
Uh,
That's why I already told that you can prepare yourself. Okay.
okay.
There also you haven't lost one thing, that is your work experience is not calculated. Okay.
Right.
But you can get a job, get an opportunity to work with an industry. Okay, you will take the fresher salary. Okay, you will improve yourself and prove yourself with your work knowledge. Definitely, you will get the increment like within 2 years, like same.
Okay, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Vishwajit
Okay.
Patel wants to ask, sir, that where should I do PhD from Europe?
What, ma'am?
Where should I do PhD from Europe? Vishwajit Patel wants to ask.
Okay, Europe. Okay, firstly, you will check the safety. Okay, because nowadays there are different incidences which are happen. Okay, or I think one incidence I heard regarding the London. Okay, that they refuse the visa and etc. for a particular person, Indian person. Okay, after getting the all clearance and etc etc, firstly you don't rely on any advertisement. Okay, you directly go with the particular university website. You directly contact with the particular professor, that particular teacher. Okay, you will firstly qualify that GRF, TOEFL, or any other exams which are required to do work in that particular country. Okay, or the region. Then you will approach the particular supervisor or the resource personnel or the professor. Okay, and find the professor or the research personnel which are work with your topic. Okay, they have brief or in detailed or the background regarding the your interested topic. Then you will contact with the particular professor. Okay, also you can cross check that particular university or the college which will give you scholarship, okay, which is easy for your survival during that particular period. Okay, this is an important point, that is the getting the scholarship, getting the top university, getting the top professor as a research guide, and that research guide also interested in your topic. Okay, these all things are the most important to do the research in foreign countries. Okay.
So, if there are no questions, I would like to say that the young researchers in microbiology, they should not only think every day that you will have to go for government jobs only. You should try for your own industrial development, your own startups. And microbiology is a very good field. Microorganisms are so nice that they can make you a very good star by starting your startups. A little small startups you can start out with the microorganisms. For example, like biofertilizers, the one who was asking, you can search out for your local biofertilizers, that what is the requirement of your area, which type of biofertilizers you require, nitrogen based biofertilizers, phosphorus biofertilizers, or any other thing, and you can produce them and sell them. So you can have that startup also. So thank you very much, sir. If there are no questions, I think so that none of the questions are remaining. So thanks very much, sir, for your valuable time you shared with us and have shown various paths to the students of life sciences, microbiology, and biotechnology. Hope they will find their path of interest by approaching you also. Thank you very much, sir.
Okay. Thank you, ma'am, for giving an opportunity to give my share my knowledge. Okay, I would like also thanks to Dr. A.M. Deshmukh sir for giving me opportunity to share my knowledge. Okay, thank you, ma'am.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
And
Thank
best of
you,
luck
the
to you.
students. Yes, best of luck for your future also, sir. And the students, thank you very much.
Thank you.